real election is coming up after the special election, and there's now a third candidate running for district attorney here, throwing her hat in. Terri Wyatt is joining us. And Terri, good morning to you. And you just recently retired from the district attorney's office after many years.
I did. I retired a month ago for the purpose of running for district attorney. I want to be the next district attorney. I think that the voters are ready for a change, and taxpayers are ready for a change. And I think that the voters deserve a career prosecutor, not a politician, as the district attorney leading this office and being the manager and the lead prosecutor for this entire county.
So basically you're saying Bonnie Dumanis, who is currently the district attorney, has turned it into a political machine.
Yes, Bonnie took the office this last term. She's been in office almost 12 years. At the end of this term, it'll be 12 years. Mm-hmm. This third term has been spent running for, first 2 years running for mayor. Immediately when she lost the mayor's race, she announced that same week that she's running for re-election for district attorney. The office is very politicized. And anytime, well, the office of the district attorney and the role of the district attorney is really simple. It's to seek and obtain justice. And I went to law school specifically to be a deputy district attorney. My father was a California Highway Patrol officer. My mother was a nurse, a registered nurse. And I have been a deputy district attorney my entire career. Yeah. And I believe very strongly that the role is simply to seek and obtain justice. When the motivation for running for district attorney becomes more about politics or ego, justice goes out the window. And that's the problem that we have right now.
Do you think that because of the political aspect of the office that some things have actually slipped through the cracks?
I think the motives of charging people, rejecting cases, those decisions when the motive is first and primarily about politics, then public safety and public service suffers. And I think that has happened here.
So you think that the current district attorney may actually focus on high-profile cases in order to raise her own profile?
I think so. I think that's happened. Cases that charging police officers with crimes were based partly on, or mostly, primarily on political reasons as opposed to justice. And I don't even know whether...
But shouldn't those police officers be held to the same standards that we're all held to?
Absolutely. Every single case should be under the same review, with the highest ethical standards, but just for justice, not for politics, not for how does the district attorney look for her own political path. That's where the problem lies. Yeah,
and you say if you're elected, you're not going to be seeking any other office.
I am not. I'm a career prosecutor. I believe the district attorney's office can be led and managed without the politics. It's a nonpartisan position, and it's important that it stay nonpartisan and not be about politics. Yeah. It is literally about doing justice for everyone in the community and everyone in the entire county, whether the person is a victim, a witness, a police officer, a career criminal, a street person. Yeah. The DA has to do justice for all of those people.
All right. Terri Wyatt just retired from the district attorney's office as a prosecutor and wants to take over the office from Bonnie Dumanis. An election coming up next year.
Yes, in June.
Yes, all right.
Yes.
Well, we'll be seeing you.
Yes, thank you for having me on. I appreciate
Thanks a lot.
it.
Have a good weekend, the rest of it.